The very first version of SolidWorks was released in 1995. We are this year celebrating the 30th anniversary of SolidWorks. And over the last 30 years, not only we have improved our CAD applications, we have also added a lot of different disciplines into our solutions. At 3D Experience World, we also announced a new era for SolidWorks where we are trying to expand from being a design-centric brand to being a business-centric brand, where any customer, any client of ours, if they want to run their mainstream business with our portfolio, they will be able to run their entire mainstream business right from design, ideation, all the way to manufacturing, shipping, and delivery. So we are going to be the business solution for the mainstream manufacturing market. Give me a problem. Solving problems is what excites us. Whether it was 25 years back when we were trying to make, or I should say build a name for SolidWorks, because back then SolidWorks was not a household name in mechanical design industry. So we were trying really hard in order to ensure that we can fulfill our dream, which was to put 3D CAD on every designer's desktop. That was our dream. Now that dream has changed slightly, where we are now putting or making sure that every single client of ours can deliver beautiful, amazing experiences to their clients. This is our dream now. But then certain things haven't changed. Even back then, we had customer first mindset. Even today, we have customer first mindset. Even back then, our goal was always to believe in simplicity. Even today, our goal is to believe in simplicity, user experience, the way you deal with us, the way you do business with us, everything has to be simple, and that is part of our DNA, and that has not changed. Like always, I enjoy coming here because it's, I think, one of the only remaining CAD, or I should say manufacturing summit, where multiple different organizations, they all come together to speak about what they are doing. So I always find it very interesting. Plus, you do see a different variety of people here, right from students to professionals. Startups are there, there are partners there, there is a very good pavilion where you can go and visit a lot of different things. So it's always refreshing to come here. Doesn't matter which product you use. End of the day, you are part of a community which is helping the humanity go to a different place from where it was before by solving problems. I mean, we are all engineers, designers. By nature, we try to solve problems. And the reality is that today, the world is facing the kind of challenges that it had never faced before. Whether it is pollution, whether it is carbon neutrality, whether it is challenges related to population, the challenges related to commute, normal commute. You talk about it, there are so many different problems that we engineers, we need to solve it together. So listening to different ideas and then trying to come up with something which is more powerful than if you are trying to enclosed in a silo, I think that is important. In fact, there were some talks here. There was one talk about generating electricity from a river without causing any damage to the fishes. The way it was explained, it was amazing. I mean, I learned something that I didn't know about before. I didn't know how when you try to convert that energy into power, you still need to think about conserving the entire ecosystem of that river. You cannot damage that, right? So what different criteria goes on in order for you to be able to do that? I wasn't aware of that. So even I learned something new. Very interesting. It's not just Aura. Aura, I would say, the virtual companion and generative experiences is the way you should see it. What our users have created over the last number of years is they have created a lot of intellectual property. And that intellectual property is with the designs that they have created, which is saved someplace. The question is that how do you take that intellectual property of our clients, of our customers, and extract that knowledge and know-how and give them more value, more productivity, boost their productivity with that knowledge and know-how for them, not for everyone else, for them. How do you do that? And this is where the generative experiences as well as virtual companion comes into play, where we are writing these virtual companions, Aura being one of them, with which we will be able to extract this knowledge and know-how and help that client with their existing knowledge and know-how to improve their quality of work, improve their productivity, improve the speed with which they can deliver the experiences in the future. Any technology improvement helps SolidWorks, whether it is the speed of chip itself or whether it is GPU, because SolidWorks being a CAD system, we are a very graphics compute intensive system. So any improvements in GPU helps us. But more than that, in future, we are not just going to be on desktop, by the way. As you heard me saying that we are going to extract that knowledge and know-how, which means we also need to worry about artificial intelligence. And as you know, the GPUs play a very important role in that particular segment. So we are going to leverage that even more going into future. So I cannot reveal everything, but future is extremely exciting. Cloud is the basic environment where you try to connect everything together. So cloud, it's not just about putting data somewhere. It's about connecting users, their ideas, and their processes, all of them combined together in one single environment. That is the value of the cloud. And once you are able to combine everything, or once you are able to combine everything together, at that time you start to reap the benefits. The benefits are, you want agility, you want productivity, you want people to be anywhere in the world, you want people to work from their convenient locations. You now cannot imagine everyone being in the same exact location. You want to interact with your vendors, you want to interact with your partners. Cloud gives you that capability where you have a single source of truth that you never lose. You connect all the people to that single source of truth. You connect different processes to that single source of truth, which helps you become way faster in delivering the experiences that would have taken a much longer time otherwise.